These AA audio accessory guitar wall mounts use a velvet-lined cradle that is gentle on delicate nitrocellulose finishes while still feeling sturdy in daily use. The solid beech wood base and 4-screw mounting system give each hanger a reassuringly strong hold, even when installed on standard drywall. A smart pivoting yoke automatically adjusts to different neck shapes, spreading the pressure evenly and helping to protect the instrument over the long term. The gravity-based auto-locking arms close around the neck as soon as you set the guitar in place, so accidental bumps are far less likely to send it crashing to the floor. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included positioning guide and clearly matched hardware, so it is easy to get both hangers level and secure on the first try. With generous neck width compatibility, this 2-pack comfortably fits everything from slim electric guitars to chunkier acoustic, bass, and mandolin necks, making it a versatile storage upgrade for a small studio or home music room.